안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. Today's nail art is inspired by the 2017 K-drama While You Were Sleeping. I first watched this in 2017 and then I rewatched it while there's an enhanced community quarantine. This is mainly inspired by the intro of the K-drama. Monica from Nails by the Moon and I are collaborating on Instagram to do a nail art inspired by this intro. First thing that I'm doing is I'm applying a peel-off base coat on my natural nails. Then after letting it dry, I'm applying another. Then I'm using a white nail polish. Then for my index and pinky nail, I'm applying a sparkly deep blue nail polish. These days, I'm always using a white nail polish underneath every colored nail polish to prevent my nails from staining. Then I'm applying another coat. For my middle, ring, and thumbnail, I'll be doing an ombre with black and the sparkly deep blue shade I used earlier. Then I'm dabbing it onto my nail. Repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the full opacity you wanted. Now I'm doing the cleanup. After that, I'm sealing the ombres with a holographic top coat with flakies. Now that all of the base are done, let's move on to the designs. On my index and pinky nail, I'm painting some clouds. To achieve that translucent effect, I'm using a white acrylic paint mixed with water. Then for the umbrellas, I'm using this stamping plate. Then I remove the other details, leaving the umbrella design only. Then I'm painting it with orange. Then I also made another one with this shade. Now I'm applying a fast drying top coat, leaving it to dry a bit. Then stamp the design. And after all of that, it's time to apply top coat. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome chingus, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. What K-drama nail art should I do next? I'm currently watching The King Eternal Monarch, so maybe there's a chance that I will be doing that, but I'm not yet so sure. So let's just wait. 그게 오늘이야, 여러분. 비디오 봐주셔서 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 만나요. 안녕!